Hi everybody, hope y'all having a good day, evening, morning, whatever. Even though these guys are laying down here asleep right now, laying down resting, they're not happy campers. Not at all. Because this isn't where mom is. We managed to get 4 of them caught tonight. And get them separated out so they can be weaned and castrated. But we still got 3 over there that two we couldn't catch and 1 we had caught, but evidently he's smarter than me, because I was supposed to be holding the panel shut. Well, Ethan carried him from one pen to another, and well, he managed to squeeze through on me. Should have been watching my job and not paying attention to Ethan. But them 3 there, of course, one of them's a girl. Not too concerned about her right now. But anyway, should have been paying more attention to my job and less about Ethan's. But I was worried about him because Mama here was getting kind of agitated. And you know, that's just one strand of fence right there, if you can see it. It's not much, but she got a lot of respect for it. She bumped it a couple of times. But anyway, we got them done. So hopefully we can get those at least 2 more caught and get the deed done so that they'll be ready to go to market, so to speak. But anyway, I didn't get a video out last night because we were too busy yesterday not getting things done. Not that we weren't trying, we just couldn't seem to get anything finished. It was just one little problem after another. But today it was a little better. Like I showed you, we got them 4 done. We got them 4 caught. And we got our 2 first world problems fixed. We got the flat fixed on my truck. And we got the air conditioner fixed. And the good thing was about the air conditioner, it's still under warranty. So we only had to pay for the service call. So not too bad. And with that, I'm gonna call it a night. We'll get this video edited, so to speak, and posted. So look out for each other. Let's help each other when we can. Let's all pray.